and today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and there are two ways to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The first way is to use an algorithm. An algorithm is basically doing the 2-3 moves same time, but we have to do it multiple times, and the cube will be solved again. But in the algorithm trick, there's one problem, that if anybody other scrambles the cube and he doesn't scramble the way that the algorithm goes, you cannot solve with and without an algorithm. So the second way to solve a Rubik's Cube is to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are many steps to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are many methods to solve a Rubik's Cube. Like there is the beginner method, and there's the professional method, and many. So today I'm going to show you one of them. So now I'm going to scramble. So I've scrambled the cube, and now the cube looks like this. It's fully scrambled. So there are many steps to do solve a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube step by step. So the first step is the white cross. So you have to find the middle pieces. Like here, there's one middle piece, and here is the orange center. Now I'm focusing on the orange center because this piece has also have orange in it. So I'll move this piece to the orange center. Now this piece is upside down. So to move this, we have to turn it, and now we have to turn anti-clockwise, and we have to go down, and we have to set back this to the position, and we have to move this middle line and match up the middle piece with the orange center. Now let's find other middle pieces, like this. Here we have blue and white. So where is blue center? Here is the blue center. So we have to take the blue center and launch it the nearest to the blue center. So now I'll first I have to go far, because if I directly go here, this orange thing would get disrupted. So now I've done that, and now I have also matched the blue one. So let's solve this like this. I just found a free piece here. Now after I've done all the pieces and there's only one left, it would be simple because there's only one left. So whatever piece there is, we have to take it and put it in the center. So our first step is done. So now we have to do the second step, which is to match the corners. So here we can see there's a corner which contains white, orange and blue, and we can find the place here. There is orange, white and blue. There are the colors which this corner piece contains. So we'll carefully move this corner piece to its place and focus that we don't disturb the other pieces. So like here we have green, orange, white, and we have a piece which also has green, orange and white. So this is here. We'll just move this here. Now we have also done this corner. So like this we have to do. So I'll show you another example like this. This is a little bit changed because this is facing that side. So we have to first normally adjust it, and whatever direction it is flipped in, we have to move it away and again move it close. So we have to repeat that, and we'll get the piece solved. Now it's the last one, which is here. We'll just do this, and our step 3 is complete. So we have solved the first layer in step 1 and step 2. Now let's talk about the second layer, which we can solve in the third step. So to solve the second layer, we'll first flip the cube, and we'll see from this perspective, and see which middle piece doesn't contain yellow on the top and also doesn't contain yellow on the side. So like this piece, it has green and red, it doesn't contain yellow. So what we have to do is move the red piece to the green red center. Now this is here, but we actually need to this piece fit this piece into here. The green we have green and red, and here also there are green and red. So to do that, first step we have to move this away. So I moved this away. So now I have to do this algorithm: up, left, down, right. Now we have to do this algorithm with our left hand: up, right, down, left. So now we have solved this. So let's find more pieces. Like, oh, there are no more. Yes, there's a piece like this. So we'll move the corner piece to the center. We'll just do the trick which I told, but we have to see that which how are we moving the piece away. Like now, before I moved the piece to the left, but now I have to move the piece to the right, because we have to fit this piece here. So we have to move right. So we'll do that algorithm first with left. Now we will do this algorithm with right. Now we have to solve this in way. Let me create a scene. So in this scenario where I created, we can find the pieces correct in place, but they could be flipped. So we have to do is we have to adjust another piece. Like there is green and orange, we'll just fit the green and orange piece in here, and then we'll get the blue and red piece out. Now we have to fit the red and blue piece in the way which I do. So now here another one. Now we have solved the second layer. So now we have to do the third layer. So to do the third layer, we have to do what we did in the first layer. The first step was to make the top cross. So to make the top cross, we have to learn another algorithm. Okay, now if you have only one piece or no piece in this perspective, then you have to do an algorithm like this. And well, if you had pieces, if there was an L like this which I had, then we have to do that algorithm and we'll get a horizontal line. Now we have to do that algorithm again to get and cross. So we have completed the. So for the fifth step, we have to solve the corners, but I have already solved the middle pieces. So I'll just dictate you what to do. We have to do an algorithm. That in that algorithm we have to do the steps which I told, but we have to not move back, but we have to move one step front, and we have to open this again and put that back in. If you have done right, you will get all the pieces matched, but I had already matched. So if I do that algorithm, I'll not able to match, as you can see. So let me solve this. So the sixth step is to match the corners. So if you have to match the corners, you have to do another algorithm. Basically, to solve a Rubik's Cube, you have to do your own steps and mostly algorithm. So this algorithm goes like. So to solve the corners, so the algorithm which I told, if you do that algorithm couple of times, you will get the corners in the correct position, but it's not necessary that they are correctly flipped like this and this. So like here there is blue, red, yellow, and there are also blue, red, yellow, but this is not necessarily flipped. So to do this, we have to do a thing. Basically, we have to do is do another algorithm which we have already done. Remember the 4 moves which I told you? So we have to do those 4 moves. So I'm doing the 4 moves, and they go like this. We have to repeat this until this is in the right place. Now we'll not flip the whole thing, but we'll just flip the down portion, and we'll do the thing again until this and the upper layer is solved. So I did those moves, and we have a perfect Rubik's cube. And I will tell you a bonus thing, a pattern. So basically, I told you the first method to solve the Rubik's cube algorithms. So there's one algorithm which you stop when you stop in the middle of it, you get a pattern. So the algorithm is we have to turn the center middle lines. So we have done this. And don't be scared that your Rubik's cube will be destroyed. It can be restored like this. You can come across these patterns again, but again, don't be scared. You can see now I got the original colors of the Rubik's cube. So this is how you solve a Rubik's cube in under 10 minutes.